In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Spotify content in Wix. We'll begin in Google Chrome by opening a separate tab and launching the Spotify web player. Once you're there, take a moment to find the playlist or song you want to place on your Wix site. Make sure you've selected the exact track or playlist you want visitors to hear, because this is the version that will be embedded on your page. After you found it, click the share option associated with that song or playlist. From the sharing options, copy the embed code text. This code is what allows Wix to display the Spotify player directly on your website instead of just linking out to Spotify. Be careful to copy the full embed code exactly as provided so it works properly when you paste it later. Now go back to your Wix editor tab and return to your workspace. This is where you'll add the Spotify content to your site layout. If you have multiple tabs open, it helps to quickly confirm that you're back in the editor before moving forward so you don't accidentally paste the code in the wrong place. Once you're in the Wix editor, look to the left sidebar navigation area and click the Add Elements button shown with a plus symbol. This menu is where Wix stores the building blocks you can insert into your page, such as text, images, shapes, and embedded content. Opening this panel is the next step toward placing your Spotify player into the design. As you work through this process, keep in mind that embedding content is useful because it gives visitors an interactive way to listen without leaving your site. It can also make a music page, artist page, or feature section feel much more dynamic and polished. If you're building a site that depends on audio content, this is a simple but effective way to improve the user experience. One helpful tip is to keep your Wix layout in mind before placing the player. Think about where the embedded Spotify content will look best and how much space it may need on the page. Even though the code comes from Spotify, presentation still matters inside your Wix design. At this point, you've copied the Spotify embed code, returned to your Wix editor, and opened the Add Elements menu, which sets you up for the next part of the embedding process.